Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making aloo parotha or stuffed potato flatbread. Okay, for this recipe there's two parts in making of parotha. So we're making dough and stuffing. For dough we need wheat flour or any multigrain flour, anise seed or ajwain, and water to make a dough. For stuffing, we need mashed potatoes, onion, cilantro, cumin seeds, garam masala, salt, red chili pepper, Heeng powder or Asafoetida, and ghee or oil. Alright, for the dough, first of all, we have to make a dough. So here is my wheat flour. So we need water, and we have anise seed. We're gonna rub it around a little bit. It adds a more like here, adds a flavor more. Okay, so we're adding, mixing. Oh my god, it smells so amazing. Aroma from anise seed or ajwain is wonderful. You don't have to add that, but I like it. All right, we're adding water. Some people add oil. I don't do that because we're gonna use oil or ghee for that, but I never use oil in my dough unless I'm making cookies or something. We're gonna set it aside for like around maybe 5 minutes. You don't have to, but we're gonna let it rest for a little bit. We're gonna cover it and we're gonna wait for it. Okay, until our dough is resting, we're gonna prepare the mixture for stuffing. So here we're adding potatoes in here. I'm using my hand because you have more control when you do that. So we're adding everything. We're adding cumin, onion, I hope you can see it, cilantro, Asafoetida, Garm Masala, red chili pepper, and salt. We're gonna mix it well. Because if I'm using spoon, it does not, mix it all the stuff, I feel. And if you have hands, you can mash it well, and also you can mix it all together. You can use less or more pepper. I usually use a green chili, but today I did not. This is a basic one. You can add anything if you like. This is just very simple stuffed parothas. When you get your potatoes, make sure they are firm. If they're kind of mushy, do not give the nice result, because they kind of it'll give you a hard time to make your parotha, and also taste is not as good as it is. Alrighty, so our stuffing is done. Okay, so our dough is rested enough. It's not too soft and it's not too stiff, so it's perfect. So now we need to roll that chapati, and here is our dry flour for dusting. We're making little bowl. You can use big or small, so it's kind of, I don't know what I should say. maybe kind of little lemon size, I can say. Okay, so what we do, we just make this, or you can put your bowl over here and then press it down. That's you can do it. The purpose is we are like leaving the sides thin, but middle part is thicker. So when we stuff it, it should not be get out from there. So if you can see, so like this, and the middle part is like almost maybe ½ inch, I don't know. Alrighty, you can make it bigger or small. Sometimes I roll it over here, but make that. And I'm using my hand instead, like around 1 tablespoon. You can use less or more. I think less has more control, but you can use more stuffing if you like it. So here you close it, like this, and then push it down. I hope you can see it. So here you check in here, just like this, and push it down a little gently, not like quickly you want to. You don't press hard, otherwise your potatoes can come out. So now look at this, so nothing has come out. So we're gonna just make like this. If you do not know or you don't figure out what I'm gonna do, so just press it a little more. So now I'm gonna use a little more dry flour, and look at that. So you go very gently like this. You can see some stuffing out, but it's okay. So meanwhile, I'm gonna turn on my stove so our tawa can get ready. So it looks like this. You can maybe still see some potatoes coming out, but it's pretty good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make all those parothas. It looks like this. You don't have to put on this there. I had that available, so I put it in there. All right, now we're gonna go move to the stove, so because we're gonna cook them, and I'll be right back. All right, so our tawa is ready, or pan, whatever you say. Don't touch it, because I'm okay with that. Don't touch it.
Can I just say something? I have a way more better solution. Take a bit of water and then just drop there. There you go. Your pan is ready.
Okay, here. And now we need two things. We need a ghee or oil, and spatula. We're gonna use a little bit of ghee and spread around. You can use oil, you can use butter, whatever you like. It's not like mandatory you have to use the ghee or the oil. Whatever available, it's good. Sorry. So we're gonna use ghee on both sides. See? That's pretty color. See, it's pretty golden brown. Little spots on that. That looks just perfect. Look at our parotha. There is no potato is come out. You can see them. It's little and it's nice, and this is the I'm sorry what to say. This is the way you want it. You don't want to be like overcooked, overburned, otherwise taste just get ruined. So this is the perfect. I will show you another one here. All right, make sure you don't burn yourself because this pan is hot. Have a little bit of ghee or oil. I'm using ghee because I like that way. Sorry about this sound, I hate that. And I did not want to use plastic or rubber spatula. So make sure you spread everywhere. If you don't like ghee or oil, just cook it like that. You don't have to use ghee or oil if you don't want to. Just stuff it and cook it just like that. I feel if you're using butter, it makes more smoky in the kitchen. You don't want that. Don't be frustrated if it's not turning out the same way, and I didn't get perfect in one day. So I had a lot of, practice for this one. So I'm cooking from years. Don't even fed up if it's not turning out that way. But yeah, you'll be fine. It's not a big deal, but don't think that, oh, mine is not turned out that way. But no. All right, here is our final paratha looks like. Let's plate them. Okay, here is our aloo paratha or stuffed potato paratha ready to eat. You can eat with pickles, yogurt, butter, or as it is without anything. It's super delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get a notification for my upcoming video. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care.